So the upcoming gaming beast smartphone, the RedMagic 11 Pro, has finally made its appearance on Geekbench, giving us key details and a sneak peek at its performance. Further, the lineup is also bringing incredible water and dust resistance to a phone featuring a dedicated cooling fan. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, like the upcoming most top-end flagship devices, the RedMagic 11 Pro will also be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. So, looking at the Geekbench listing, like the original Snapdragon 8 Elite, the upcoming 8 Elite 2 will also have 2 clusters of cores. However, the clocking speeds are now bumped, 2 cores at 4.19 GHz and 6 cores at 3.63 GHz. Interestingly, in this Geekbench, the cluster of 2 cores clocking at a lower speed compared to the regular version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite with a clocking speed of 4.32 GHz. That's probably brand is testing out some optimizations and prototypes, because earlier rumors were suggesting the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 with a higher 4.47 GHz clocking speed. Besides, the chipset will be paired with the latest Adreno 840 GPU, which is expected to offer up to 30% graphic performance boost. Also, the listing revealed one of the variants will feature 16 gigs of RAM, but like its predecessor, we may also see a 24 gigs RAM option. Anyway, let's talk about the performance scores. So, the RedMagic 11 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 scored 3309 single core and 10742 multi-core points. Now, in comparison to its predecessor, the RedMagic 10 Pro, which is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, we can see the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 achieved a higher in both single core and multi-core points. Though it's not that high, as earlier reports were suggesting an increase of around 30% CPU performance. But considering the handset is yet to come, so again these results might not be from the final unit. Moving forward, so you see, Nubia has been offering its RedMagic phones with a built-in cooling fan for many years, which is why they are not as good in IP rating as other flagship devices. Like their RedMagic 10s Pro came with an IP54 rating compared to one of the highest IP68 on flagship devices. However, as per the reliable tipster, the upcoming RedMagic 11 series will also offer a peace of mind IP68 rating, so making it the industry's first smartphone with the IP68 rating while featuring a dedicated cooling fan. So I would say that is really impressive. Anyway, Nubia has yet to unveil the launch date of this exciting gaming phone. Of course, I will keep you updated on this, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.